Okay, welcome back to Nebo Gold Adventures. Today I'm going to show you what we got done yesterday. All the film I had from yesterday somehow never made it, so this is the only thing I got when I come in the next day. You can see all the trees we knocked down to clear this area. I'm going to go run through this thing quick. So eventually we're going to come up here and the audio will start working again here. So this is what I dug yesterday with the excavator, and right about here is where my voice takes over. Alright,
what we see here is the beginning of the pond. They've been pulling out plaster material. This lighter stuff here is all the rock quartz. It's all the gold in it. And then on the other side of it, see, that's all topsoil and muck. Big pile of it in the back there. Another pile of plaster on the other side of the pond. More plaster and more muck. What we're going to do is we're going to pull it all the way out back to this tree. And then pretty much right on out to here. Standing right about where the end of it's going to be. So this will be the whole pond when we get done. Maybe about 3 times what we got there now. What we're looking at here is the backside of the pond. We're right on the edge of it. And then we've got some water in the pit we're going to pump out so that we can continue digging. But you can see the different layers. You got a top. You got your topsoil there. And you got it like a black mucky layer in between. It's like clay. You see a lot of it right there. Then underneath there, see all the cobble material. That's the plaster. Right down to the water line there. A little bit below. Where all the good stuff is coming out. Back to where we were.
okay, I see my buddy Jeff has shown up, so we're going to get started and check up with you next time.